This is another front clip video brought to you by Jared at Weber Brothers. If you're looking at this front end, you may be receiving this link as an example of what it looks like when we are selling you a 2023 Honda Civic, this one being in sporty blue. This one is slated for customer pickup. If you're looking to have it shipped, it's going to look entirely different. You'll find other videos on this YouTube page detailing what a freight shipment looks like. Expenses are constantly going up with freight shipments, so it's kind of a case-by-case scenario, and it depends on where you live. So, as you can see, hood, fenders, headlights, bumper, grille. There's no dash, there's no suspension. Fender liners are included. If they're damaged, we don't really do much about it. They're kind of considered freebies, but we don't take them out. We'll get you under the hood, you can take a look. So under the hood, we have the typical goodies left behind, a couple motor mounts, usually found, but always has all the cooling, rad condenser fans. Fuse boxes here, cowl cover. Under the hood, got the insulation, AC lines, splash shields in there, the air cleaner box. Lots and lots and lots of goodies here. Front clips are a great way to go about rebuilding a front end. This is a known repaint. Our guys spotted that pretty easily. So we do let you know if we see it. If we don't see it, we're not trying to just not disclose it to you, but this one you can see it in the hood. It's just a kind of a poor quality repaint. So made the customer aware so there's no surprises when they get there. We always look to do that, not add any surprises. If you have any questions, give me a call, shoot me an email, Instagram, Facebook, whatever your method is. 800-222-2528. My direct extension is 112. Thanks for watching.